it's Saima Hamad from artbysh, and today I'm going to show you how to get your new canvas ready for painting step by step. Have you ever seen these little wooden pieces that comes with your canvas and wonder what they are for? Well, sticks around because I'll show you exactly how to use them to improve your painting experience. Okay, so here is a canvas you might have picked from the store. It might say pre-primed or double coated, but I like to take control and make sure it's really ready for painting. First, let's talk about these little wooden pieces that comes with the canvas. A lot of people throw them away but don't. They called canvas keys and they help tighten the canvas for a smooth painting surface. Let me show you how to put them in. Take this packet and open it. So you see there are tiny slots at the back of the canvas. You open this packet. There are some tiny wooden keys. You just pop the keys into these slots like this. Push it properly. Again push. You have to tighten the canvas with the help of these keys. You have to repeat this procedure for all sides, all corners. You have to pop in all the wooden keys inside. You will notice the canvas become tighter, almost like a drum. This tension helps prevent wrinkles, especially when you are using thicker paints. Now let's talk about priming. Gesso is essential because it helps the paint stick and stop it from being absorbed by the canvas. Actually, when you use directly acrylic paints on canvas, it mostly absorbs the paint by the canvas, but when you use gesso, it will solve your this problem. I like to pour my gesso straight onto the canvas. You can use a large brush or even a shower cleaner to spread it evenly. I'll using a brush today. Here is a cool tip. If you add a bit of talcum powder to your gesso, it creates a slightly texture which helps the acrylic paint grip better, and you want the cover whole surface. Please don't forget the edges. If you are working on something detailed, it's good idea to do another coat of gesso once the first layer is dry. And if you blending colors for background, work while the gesso is still wet. It helps blend the colors beautifully. And there you have it. Just a few simple steps to get your canvas prepared and ready for your next masterpiece. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to artbysh for more tips every week. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos every week. Thanks for watching and happy painting.